Starting a business sounds exciting, but when you actually do it, it's scary. I risked everything: my savings, my time, my relationships. Today I'll tell you what I learned from that journey, not just the emotional side, but the practical lessons you can apply. Whether you're thinking of starting a business or you're already in the game, this video is for you. Why I risked everything. Let me be clear, I wasn't reckless. I believed in my idea. But here's the reality. If you want to build something great, you'll face risk. For me it was 1. Quitting my stable job, 2. Burning through my savings, 3. Facing doubt from family and friends. But I had this constant thought: if I don't do it now, will I regret it later? That fear of regret was stronger than my fear of failure. And that's what pushed me to take the leap. The first realization. Once I started, the first thing I learned was, passion is not enough. I was passionate about my product, but I didn't validate the market. I didn't test my idea with real users. Here's the lesson. Before risking it all, validate. Talk to potential customers. Pre-sell if possible. Don't wait for perfection. Get feedback early and often. What no one tells you about starting up. There's this glamorous startup myth. But here's the truth. 1. You'll feel lonely. 2. You'll work more than ever. 3. You'll face doubt daily. And most of your time will not be spent doing what you love. You'll be emailing, fixing bugs, marketing, handling complaints. But guess what? It builds resilience. You grow fast. You think sharper. You stop wasting time. When you start making money, the first dollar I made felt like $1 million. But here's the trap. You start to relax. You think, I've made it. But a true business doesn't rely on one client or one viral post. So I had to ask myself, how do I scale this? That's when I shifted from being a freelancer with a product to a business owner with systems. Start asking early. Can this be automated? Can this run without me? What's my customer lifetime value? What happens when things go wrong? Not everything goes up. One month, I lost my biggest client. Another time, I made a hiring mistake that cost thousands. You will fail, and that's okay. But here's what matters: how fast you recover. I built a habit. After every setback, I review. 1. What went wrong? 2. What will I do differently? 3. What system can I build to prevent this again? That mindset saved my business. The turning point. There comes a moment when you realize this might actually work. For me, it wasn't a huge launch or viral moment. It was consistency. 1. Week after week of refining my offer. 2. Building relationships. 3. Showing up even when I didn't feel like it. That built trust, and trust built income. Was it worth it? So now the big question, was it worth it? Absolutely, but not just for the money. I learned to believe in myself. I created something that helps people. I took control of my life. And those lessons, you can't buy them. Yes, it was hard. Yes, I'd do it again. But next time, I'd be smarter. Your turn. If you're thinking of starting a business, don't wait for the perfect moment. Start small. Validate fast. Accept that risk is part of the game, but manage it. Surround yourself with people who believe in building. And most importantly, don't quit on a bad day. You'll get there if you stay long enough. Let me know in the comments, what's your biggest fear about starting? I read everything, and if this helped you, give it a like and share it with someone who needs a push. This is Startup Sparks, and I'll see you in the next one.